Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the bulk deformation that is related to the chapter physics of solid. What is the bulk deformation? Bulk deformation is basically the when the force is applied on the surface of body uniformly to the all surface, this force that change the volume but its shapes remain the same. That is called the bulk deformation. Here we apply the force from the four side of the surface. That surface it act on the four side of the surface that is act perpendicular to the body uniformly. These forces only change the shape of the body, but these forces only change the volume of the body, but the shape is remain constant. So that is the bulk deformation when forces act perpendicular to all surface of a body uniformly. The body volume change. The body volume change, but its shape remain the same. This type of deformation is called the bulk deformation. This type of deformation is called bulk deformation or volume deformation. If we talk about the bulk deformation measurement, what the bulk deformation measure? Bulk deformation measure the compressibility of a bulk deformation measures the compressibility of a material. Bulk deformation that is represented by B. High bulk deformation mean that is represented by B. Material is hard to compress. If we talk about the low bulk deformation mean material is easy to compress. That is all we discuss about the bulk deformation. What is the bulk deformation? Next we talk about the volume bulk stress and volume strain. First we discuss about the volume bulk stress. What is the volume bulk stress? Volume stress is the normal force acting per unit area on all surface. Volume stress is the normal force acting per unit area on all surfaces. If we talk about its formula, volume stress that is equal to force per unit area. Now we talk about the volume strain. What is the volume strain? Volume strain is the normal force acting per unit area. Volume strain is the ratio of the change in volume to the original volume. Strain is basically produce the effect. So what is the effect of the volume stress? Volume strain is the ratio of change in volume to original volume. So here we write about the volume strain, that is the change in volume over original volume. So if we talk about the bulk deformation formula, that is denoted by B, that is the volume stress over volume strain. If we put this value on this bulk deformation formula, so it become volume stress that is force per unit area, volume strain that is the change in volume over original volume. So it we can be write as force into original volume over area into change in volume. That is the formula of the bulk deformation. Okay, now we next discuss the topic that is the bulk modulus measure. What the bulk modulus measure? Bulk modulus measure the compressibility of a material. Bulk modulus basically measures the compressibility of a material. High bulk modulus mean material is hard to compress. Low bulk modulus mean material is easy to compress. If we talk about the example, in the example of the bulk modulus measure, we take the water that is hard to compress, so it has high bulk modulus. If we talk about the air that is easily compressed, so it has low bulk modulus. That is what the bulk modulus measure. Bulk modulus basically measure the compressibility of a material. That is all we today discuss about the bulk deformation. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.